everyone, I'm Anne-Marie and I enrolled in CUET PG English Literature course on Prepwise UG+. CUET PG 2025 was a well-structured exam with a mix of conceptual and factual questions. The paper covered literary theories, British and Indian literature, and comprehension-based questions. Some sections were so tricky, but with the right preparation, it was manageable. I am aiming for admission to IFLU Hyderabad and other central universities through CUET PG. Prepwise UG Plus was incredibly helpful in my preparation. The structured syllabus, well-explained video lectures, and practice tests boosted my confidence level. The mock test closely resembled the actual exam pattern, made me feel more prepared on my exam day. If you are planning to crack CUET PG, I highly recommend Prepwise UG+. It's a great resource for structured learning.